Imagine browsing the internet without spending money or buying data. Sounds impossible, right? Just wait. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Just follow me. Hello, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. So go to Stack VPN Reloaded. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store or App Store and download Stack VPN Reloaded. I'm going to embed the link in either the comment section or the description below, so you can click on the link to download. And once that is done, you come to this point and click on this particular place here, and you can see different servers depending on your location. But for Nigerians, we are using Nigeria Airtel for the sake of this video. So you connect to Airtel 100 megabytes per day. I have connected already, but listen carefully. If you are using MTN, you can go to MTN as well, and you can see notification you have used up your data, but you have used up your data. Buy data. So I'm not going to buy any data. Instead, I'm going to work with this. So with MTN, you can switch to any server of these ones. You can see for TikTok, for even on MTN Unlimited, all of these things, it depends on your location. It works, and don't doubt it. Even if you have seen it before and it didn't work for you, I want you to watch me as I use it now, so you see that it is working. I remember some time ago I made a video on how to get 4 gig data for 500 naira. A lot of people doubted it until testimonies began to roll in, and I will also embed it in this video so that people will see it. So now I will click on Airtel 100 megabyte per day, and then I'll click connect. So let's allow it and see. So you can see connected. So I'll go to my browser now and open any website that I want to open. Let's say, which website will I open now? Okay, let's just say Google AI tools. So you can see that it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. You can see it here. So I want to open just any website at all. Okay, let me open this one. So this is it here, but I'm not using it. I just want to show you that this is working 100%. And if you are using MTN, you can also connect to MTN and use it. If you are using Airtel or any other network, either in Nigeria, in Ghana, and any part of the country that this is working. So even in SA, South Africa, they have server that is working perfectly on this. So let me just show you. Okay, sorry, because it's connected, it cannot I cannot open any other server except I close it, but I don't want to close it because I'll be working with it. So this is basically how to browse the internet for free. And guess what? When this 100 megabytes finishes, you can go and connect to another server and it will work. But mind you, don't use it for download. You can use it to browse, you can use it to do some other things, but don't use it to download, so that you can enjoy it very well. It works 100%. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more amazing tips. I am Emmanuel EO Enet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.